How was the first impression when you first arrived at the Korea?
Okay, what was your first impression when you got to Korea? What was your first impression when you came to Korea?
How do you feel when you come Korea first?
How did you feel when you came Korea first time?
What is your first impression when you came to Korea for the first time?
How was your first impression when you arrived in Korea?
What was your first impression about Korea?
How was your first sight when you arrived in Korea?
What is your impression when you first came to Korea?
Great efforts, everyone. And first of all, I'd like to thank you all for your cooperation and your confidence, even in front of camera. Right, Ted?
Absolutely. Very confident. Nobody seemed afraid. Nobody ever seems afraid. They seem like they're having fun.
Exactly.
Even if they're struggling a bit, they're trying their best. Actually, I'm very impressed.
그렇습니다. 정말 날로 우리의 그 인터뷰 클립 속에 답변들이 아주 좋아지고 있는데요. 오늘 저희가 드린 미션 질문은 바로 이겁니다. 한국에 도착했을 때 첫인상은 어떠셨어요? 이거 꼭 비즈니스 상황뿐만 아니라 외국에서 친구가 왔을 때나 뭐 여러 상황에서 많이 쓸 수가 있잖아요. 한국에 대한 첫인상을 물어보는 이 질문 과연 어떻게 영어로 바꾸어주셨나요? 자, 이제 중요한 몇 가지 포인트만 짚어서 설명을 할 텐데요. First, let's look at this interviewee's response here.
Right.
How was the first impression when you first arrived at Seoul or
At Seoul
Korea?
or at Korea. Now,
Right.
first of all, quickly, not at Korea, but in Korea. When
In
you
Korea.
arrived in
In
Korea.
Korea.
That's a small thing. More importantly, not how was your first impression, okay? We're talking about an impression or a feeling, so we want to say what. What was your first impression? How was your first impression? No. What was your first impression of, what was your first impression of Korea when you got here?
그렇습니다. 여기서 바로 우리 한국식 영어가 바로 망치로 꽝 맞는 그런 순간이 오는데요. 우리말로 보면요. 인상이 어떠셨어요? 첫인상이 어땠어요니까 어떠한? how라는 의문사가 먼저 떠오르죠. 그래서 사실 이렇게 인터뷰 클립만 봐도 꽤 많은 분들이 how로 시작을 하셨거든요. 그렇지만 주의하세요. how는 be 잘못된 표현입니다. 이때는 what으로 물어보셔야 하거든요. What was your first impression? One more time. What was your first impression? 그래서 뭐뭐의 첫인상이 어땠습니까? 자, 그 다음에 쭉 이어서 써주셔야겠죠. What was your first impression? And next you can say
What was your first impression of Korea when you got here?
그렇습니다. Of Korea, 한국에 대한 of Korea. 보통, can you also say about Korea? What was your first impression
Not
about?
really. It's better to say first impression of a person, of a place, of a thing. Sounds much better.
뭐뭐에 대한이니까 또 about을 생각할 수가 있는데 이때도 주의하세요. about이 아니라 of. What was your first impression of Korea? 아시겠죠? What was your first impression of Korea? 그 다음에 한국에 또는 여기에 왔을 때 when you first got here. When you got here or when you first got here.
One other quick thing. The word impression is the best word. Impression means your feeling about something. A few people said, what was your feeling? How was your feeling? That's not exactly wrong, but what you mean to say is your impression. What was your feeling of Korea? Sounds very awkward. Use the word impression. It means what did you think about it first? Your first impression. We heard image too. What was your image? Image is really a picture in your mind. But if you're there seeing it, it's not a picture in your mind, it's something you're actually seeing. The best word, impression.
그렇죠. 첫인상이란 말, first impression이라는 표현으로 꼭 기억을 해두시기 바랍니다. 이 느낌이다라고 생각해서 뭐 feeling, 또 어떤 분은 image라는 단어를 쓰셨어요. image를 쓰셨고 또 어떤 분은 how do you feel? 기분이 어떻습니까? When you come Korea 뭐 이런 식의 표현을 쓰셨는데 일단 시제에서도 맞지 않고 또 feel이라는 표현보다는 인상이니까 impression이라는 표현을 이용해서 쓰는 게 좋다라고 기억을 하시면 됩니다. 자, 오늘의 미션 표현 다시 한번 정리해 볼까요? 한국에 오셨을 때 첫인상이 어떠셨어요?
What was your first impression of Korea when you got here?
앞에 이미 first impression, first가 들어갔기 때문에 you don't really have to say when you first got here.
You
first
could,
again,
you could
right.
say that, but you already said first impression, so the word, you can drop the word. It's
그렇죠.
okay.
앞에 first impression에 first가 들어가서 뒤에는 뭐 다시 언급할 필요가 없겠죠. What was your first impression of Korea when you got here? Come to think of it, what was your first impression of Korea when you got here?
That's a good question. That was a long time ago now. I can't even remember, but I think my first impression was that Seoul is a very, very, very big city.
All
and
right.
coming into Seoul, I was amazed at how huge it was and how long it took to drive through it.
테드 선생님도 역시 이렇게 처음에 한국에 딱 도착해서 와, 서울 굉장히 크다라고 눈이 좀 휘둥그레지셨다고 하는데 자, 오늘 대화에 나온 외국인도 그와 비슷한 얘기를 하거든요. 미리 힌트를 드렸습니다. 자, 탁대리 오늘은 또 영어 때문에 어떤 고충을 겪게 될지 지금부터 함께 하도록 할까요? Okay, so today's skip is coming right up.
Here it is. Let's check it out.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, Mr. Bradley, you came to Korea first time?
Yes, actually, it's my first time to Asia.
Really? Then, do you like Seoul?
Do I like Seoul? Yeah, I'm really enjoying it here.
I'm glad to hear that. Tell me, how was your first impression about Korea when you arrived here?
Well, I was amazed at how big Seoul is.
Yes, lots of people and also lots of traffic.
Yes, I was surprised by that too.
Let's go over there. There's a beautiful park.
Well, on our last show, we saw that Mr. Tak was meeting Mr. Bradley for the first time. And this is sort of a continuation of that first meeting, kind of a polite, simple conversation, small talk.
Yeah, small, you can call it a small
getting
talk.
to know each other a little
Right,
bit.
asking about, someone's first impression of Korea.